Welcome! Today we bring you this video to discuss 20 passive income ideas to help you make more money. According to statistics, 59% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and with around 40% of Americans carrying ongoing credit card debt, working towards retirement is only a dream. That's why we've made this video, so you can start getting passive income. To become debt-free sooner or have some additional spending money for leisure or investments. Today we have 20 ideas to help you get started. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe and turn notifications on to be notified whenever a new video comes out so you can receive all the latest financial tips that we have to offer. If you know someone who would benefit from this video, please share it with them. Let us now discuss the 20 passive income ideas that will help you make more money. Number 1. Vending machines. Starting our list is a classic. A vending machine is one of those assets that provides you with a constant income stream and requires minimum effort. In the US alone, there are some 5 billion vending machines that produce an average of $20 billion per year. The key to earning decent passive income from a vending machine is putting the machine at the right place and selling the right products. You will need to place it in a high-traffic location where many people access it daily, and knowing the right products to sell at that location will determine how successful your products sell. For example, selling bottled drinks or convenient food in a place that doesn't have hot food options is a classic strategy that consistently makes money. Using this strategy will provide a steady income from it every week. Number 2. Printing on demand. Next is something relatively new. With many people wanting custom t-shirts, a business model has emerged to fill the demand. And now t-shirt printing is becoming a more straightforward business to start than ever with the use of the internet, e-commerce software, and some advertising. These print-on-demand products are easy to customize, print, and ship to customers all around the globe. In addition, there are several platforms where you can outsource almost the entire business workload. At the same time, you make money off the profit that is received. If you're good with website design and online marketing, this is a great option for you. Number 3. Real estate investment trust. This is one of the best ways to gain an additional income source of revenue. True passive income. You can earn money without being actively involved with renting out properties. This is done by collecting earnings from investment portfolios that invest in physical real estate, known as a real estate investment trust, or REIT for short. As a REIT investor, you enjoy very low-risk, steady passive income, usually making a rate of return between 8 to 10% per year. Number 4. Rent a room on AirBnB. If you have an extra room in your house that you barely use, or a condo or basement suite, you can put it up on Airbnb. With Airbnb, you are likely to hire out your space for upwards of 2 times higher than the price you would rent it out generally on a long-term rental basis. Putting up your rental on Airbnb requires you to maintain the rental to ensure it is clean and has proper necessities. But renting it out means that you'll be able to cover these maintenance costs and make a profit. Renting out your extra space is a great way to make some easy passive income. Number 5. Invest in small business as a silent partner. When we talk about investing in a business, we usually have the concept of a large business listed on the stock market. But that isn't always the case, as many small businesses are looking for investors to invest in them. Of course, these small businesses have owners and require management, but you can join as a silent partner. This way, you won't have to look at day-to-day operations, and you'll manage to get some passive income from the business's success. Consider this option if you know many successful small business owners who would benefit from more capital to help them scale and grow their business. Number 6. Licensing your pictures and videos. In the age of the internet, you can monetize absolutely anything, and monetizing your pictures or videos is a great way to acquire passive income. For example, suppose you're a decent photographer or videographer In that case, you can upload your images and videos on different stock footage platforms. Then every time someone uses your footage, you will get a small commission for it. This way, you get to enjoy your hobby while also making some money off it. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Next is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you sell other people's products and receive a commission. When someone buys their products through you, you will get a small profit from the deal, as will the person who found a buyer. This is a good way to earn some passive income with minimal effort, and works really well if you know lots of people or an online audience who would benefit from the products. Number 8. Putting ads on your car. This might sound a bit funny at first, but putting ads on your car is another way to make money. In the age we live in, we can make a decent amount of money through advertising. Suppose you advertise a product or service on your car and someone ends up purchasing that product or service. In that case, you receive a small percentage of that deal for yourself. Some companies even pay a monthly salary for advertising on your car. This one is a creative yet straightforward technique to get passive income. Number 9. Government incentives. This is probably the easiest and safest source of income on this list since it doesn't require any special skills. Here you will loan your money to the government. No, we're not talking about taxes here. This is different. This idea is when you lend your money to the government, they will use it to improve the conditions and services for the people of the country. Then, when people avail themselves of the new services or infrastructure, they will get taxes or payments from the user. The income the government receives will then use to pay you back your loan, and they will pay you back with interest. The most classic example of this is toll highways. Did you ever think of being an investor in a toll highway? Number 10. Dividends. This one is the most widely known passive income idea. Dividends are regular payments or profits made to investors who own a company's stock. A company makes these payments to share profits with its stockholders. This is considered a passive income because the investors are paid regularly and are one of the ways investors can earn a return from investing in a stock. To get started, look for stocks that provide dividends, like Coca-Cola or Citigroup, and buy shares in the company. Every 3 months, you'll automatically receive a dividend. Another true passive income idea. Number 11. Sell courses online. Selling courses online has been one of the best passive income ideas in the last year or so. This has mainly been due to the pandemic, with people being restricted to their homes and having time to learn new skills. With selling online courses, you upload information on any subject you have command over to websites like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, or any other online course platform. When people purchase your course, they will pay you for it. Another great idea for passive income. Number 12. Create an app. Creating apps has been around for over a decade now, and making an app will bring you passive income in 2 different ways. First, you can charge an upfront fee for people who want to buy your app, or the second option is to make your app free and then monetize it with ads or in-app bonuses. This is a great way to bring income on the side if you are tech savvy. Number 13. Build an online dropshipping store. Next is creating an e-commerce store to sell physical products online. This is also known as dropshipping. Dropshipping is a method where a store doesn't stock the products it sells. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases it from a third-party warehouse. Then it has the product shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't handle the product directly. A dropshipping model has several advantages. It requires less capital, low overhead, and a wide range of products that you can sell. Number 14. Create YouTube videos. YouTube is a great online platform, but did you know it's also the premium passive income stream that can bring in money through collecting ad revenue? When your channel is monetized, advertisers will pay you to show ads on your videos, and some channels are very profitable, making this a great way to make passive income. Number 15. Sell your stuff. If you have some stuff around your home that needs to be offloaded, then put them up on websites such as eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Selling your stuff online will get you passive income instead of throwing it away. So it's a two-way deal and a great way to make passive income immediately. Start raiding your closets or garage and see what things you can put up for sale to make a quick return. Number 16. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a personal loan between you and the borrower and is facilitated through a third-party intermediary. Essentially, you become a bank, lending money to people. Many online platforms provide this opportunity and screen borrowers who can make sure to pay back their loans. As a lender, you earn income via interest payments that are made on the loans. This is a riskier passive income idea, but one that generates great returns. Number 17. Blogging. Since you probably have an account on every social media website, the only thing stopping you from blogging is you. The blog business model is a successful method to earn a passive income stream. For example, you could sell affiliate products, create sponsored products, run advertising on your blog, and sell your products to make money through blogging. As you can see, blogging can be the foundation to making multiple streams of income, hence why it is so popular. Number 18. Selling eBooks. Selling an ebook is a great way to earn a passive income, as you'll only be investing some of your time to actually write the book. After it is written, you make income every time a copy is sold. To do this, you will have to write and edit the book, create an attractive cover, and then upload it to a platform where people can buy it to start making sales. The most popular platform for selling ebooks is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. If you are great at telling stories, this passive income idea is for you. Number 19. Rent out your car parking spot. If you live in the city, this is truly passive income because once you list your car parking spot, you can earn a passive income off of it when you're not using it. You can use several car parking websites that list your car parking spot or rent it out on your own and start earning passive income off of it. In dense urban areas, car parking spots can rent for the same as some apartments in the suburbs. Number 20. Mutual funds. When you have a large amount of savings at your disposal, you can invest it in mutual funds. Mutual funds allow you to pool your money with other investors in securities such as stocks and bonds. Mutual funds earn income from dividends on stocks or interest on bonds. The fund then pays the shareholder nearly all the gain minus expenses. The beauty of this idea is once you start making passive income from other ideas earlier in this video, this passive income idea is where you invest your profits, ultimately making passive income from passive income. Now that's awesome. Well, that concludes our list of 20 passive income ideas. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and be sure to subscribe and turn notifications on to be notified when a new video comes out so you can receive all the latest financial tips. And if you know someone who would benefit from this video, please share it with them. That's it for today's video. Make sure to comment below on what you learned or what your favorite idea was, how you plan to use what you learned today, or any other passive income ideas you know of. We love to hear from you, and I will see you in the next video.